Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra keeps overheating. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix the overheating issue, first of all, swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here turn off all the unused features. So if you are not using your Bluetooth, then turn it back off and then turn off all other features that you are not using. So after doing this, your overheating issue will be resolved. But if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down, and here click on battery and then click on background usage limits. Now from here, if you have turned off this put unused apps to sleep button, then turn it back on, and after turning on this button it will put unused apps to sleep automatically. And after putting the unused apps to sleep, your phone will not overheat. And after doing this, if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down to the end and click on software update, and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile software, your problem will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.